Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you different ways on how to enter safe mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. The first method we are going to cover is by using Setting app. For that you need to click on the Start button available on the taskbar and then from the Start menu select Settings. Now here you need to select System tab on the left side and then on the right side you need to scroll down and select recovery option. Now under recovery options you will find this advanced startup option. Click on restart now button. When confirmation dialog box appear, click on restart now button again. After your computer start, you will see this blue choose an option screen. Here you need to select troubleshoot. Under troubleshoot you need to select advanced options. Under advanced options you need to select startup settings. Here you need to click on restart button. Now you will get different startup settings on this screen. Here depending on your requirement you can press 4 to enable safe mode, press 5 to enable safe mode with networking and press 6 to enable safe mode with command prompt. So I'll go with the basic safe mode and for that I'm going to press 4. And after restart, so once you have made the selection, Windows will finally boot into safe mode. So you can see that your display will be at lower resolution and Windows will replace your desktop image with a black background that says safe mode in the corners. At this point you can do whatever troubleshooting task you need to accomplish. When you are done and you want to exit the safe mode, all you need to do is just click on start button and restart your computer. So this is how you can enter and exit safe mode in Windows 11 using advanced options in Windows 11. The second method we are going to cover is by using system configuration, and for that you need to click on search icon available on the taskbar. Now here you need to type ms config. When system configuration application appear in the search results, you need to click to open it. Now this will open the system configuration app. Here you need to switch to boot tab and under boot options you need to check the box for safe boot and then click apply. OK. Now you need to click on this restart button. So you can see you have successfully entered the safe mode in Windows 11. So once you are done with your troubleshooting and you want to exit the safe mode, you need to keep this thing in mind that when you are using system configuration application and the safe mode, you won't be able to exit the safe mode just by performing a quick restart, and if you do so you will stuck in a safe mode loop. So to exit the safe mode you need to take the help of system configuration, and for that you need to right click on the start button and then select task manager Now here you need to click on the file option and then select run new task. Here type msconfig, click OK. Now here you need to switch to boot tab. Now under boot options you need to uncheck the box for safe boot. Click apply, OK. Now click on the restart button. So after restart you will be back in regular non-safe mode in Windows 11. So these are two ways using which you can enter safe mode in Windows 11. Give those methods a try. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.